This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
I put up the birthday banner. I'll probably need to get a new one because this one we've used several times, but that's okay. So I put up the birthday banner for him, and I blew up some balloons. Duke, what do you think? He's like, what are those? Just to decorate for him to make him feel special. So it's very simple, but I think he's gonna love it and be excited to wake up to it. Got some cinnamon rolls going, and it's almost time to get him up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Henry. Happy birthday to you. What do you think? You want to blow out your candle? Blow it. What is all this? What is all that? You see the birthday decorations? That's for your birthday. What do you think? Those are your balloons. Cool, huh? Oh, say happy birthday, Henry. Yeah. Say happy birthday, Henry.
Birthday.
Yay, it's your birthday. All right, hello everyone. Happy birthday, Henry. We got some candy. We've just been running the roads here the last little bit. And my hair is still kind of wet. I took a shower this morning. I didn't get a chance to finish doing my hair. We had to get out quick. Shepherd went with my mom and ran an errand while I brought Henry to speech. So he had a little appointment this morning. He had so much fun. That's why we decided to send him on his birthday, because he loves stuff like that and he was so excited to go. So he just finished up with that, and then we ran and picked up a cookie cake for tonight. And now we're heading to go get Shepherd, and then we're gonna go meet Zach for lunch. You excited to go meet Dada? Yeah, on your birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you today? 3. So yeah, we're gonna go get Shepherd, go meet Zach for lunch, and then we'll see what else we get to do today. Yay! Thumbs up. It's yummy. Alright, we just got home a little bit ago. Henry's rolling out some Play-Doh. I'm playing with Play-Doh. Have some laundry going over there. I have some more in the dryer that I need to put up, but I'll do that whenever I get him down for a nap in just a minute. I just laid Shepherd down. He is so tired. Hey. Mom. What color is your Play-Doh?
Orange.
Orange. Good job.
Mom, this one too.
That one's orange?
Mom.
Yeah, that's where your Play-Doh goes?
Yeah.
Yep.
And this one.
That is orange.
And red one.
Yep.
And this one.
That's not orange.
Yeah.
All right.
Mom.
Where are we going? Tell them where we're going.
That's a birthday.
A trampoline place. We're gonna go to an indoor trampoline place. Zach's gonna meet us there. He just got off of work a little bit ago, and Henry is so excited. He's been asking me all day if it's time to go yet, and now it's finally time. So yeah,
Mom.
this should be fun, huh?
Mom.
What, Shepherd?
Mom.
Hey, what you think? You wanna go to the trampoline place too?
Mom.
Okay.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't
Was that fun?
I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't want.
We're back home. We went and ate, and I forgot to pull the camera out, but Henry opened a couple of presents. What'd you get?
My dog gun.
A Nerf gun?
Yeah.
What's on your head?
And my mask.
Your mask?
Yeah.
Let me see it on you. Put it on your eyes. And tell me who you are. You're a cat boy.
My dog boy.
Cool. He is loving it, playing, and then he's got another something in there.
A dog boy car.
Cat boy car.
Catboy car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No way.
Cool. Did you have fun at the trampoline park?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part, Henry? In your socks?
Yeah.
Wow. He was telling you he went down the slide in his socks and he had fun. And then we went and ate and we sang happy birthday and Henry had cake.
Was that cake good?
Shepherd thinks this is his.
Hey, Mama, can you toss that knife?
Yeah.
It's on the bar behind you.
I'm not going to toss it though.
You can, it's close.
We're going to be finding Nerf bullets all over the house. Uh-oh. Good morning. It's party day. We're just about to leave the house. We're getting the car loaded up. Zach just finished grilling hot dogs and hamburgers. We're going to the park. Okay, show them. Show them your shirt. Oh, you have your cat boy PJ mask, huh? Look, and your shirt says 3 Rex Henry. Show them. Look. There we go. Oh, so cool. Shepherd, show me yours. Let me see yours, Shep. That's cool, dude. Oh. Henry, we're on our way. Are you excited? PJ Mask. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Shepherd's got his bubbles and he's very excited. Dada.
What's up?
Today, well, something's gotta give today. It's a good
You gonna go slide?
day
All right.
today and not tomorrow.
Come on.
There's no time to borrow.
Whoa. There you go. Yay,
Something's
Shepherd.
gotta give today. It's a good day today.
Now push it. Whoa, Henry.
You like my hat?
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Henry. Happy birthday to you.
And not tomorrow. There's no
He's been practicing.
time to borrow today. Something's got to give today.
Yeah, you get to eat your Henry, did you have a good birthday?
And not tomorrow.
How old are you?
There's no time to borrow
What's all this on your cake?
Something's gotta give today.
You gonna dance?
How many do I have? 50 of them? Oh. 40 of them?
What? Oh, who is it? It's Owlet! Yay!
Somehow I know you're gonna be the
Yeah, she'll fit in your cowboy car now. Now you have all of them, Owlet, Pigeon, or Gecko, and Cowboy. That's Owlet's car. What? Oh, that's the wings. Look, you put this part on each side, and that's how her car flies. Look, like this. You see like that? Isn't that cool?